Yo, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Hit That Button, and today we're going to be doing the doubles. And I just want to say something before I start. I just want to say something to my best friend Harry Weston. Harry Weston, if you're watching this video, I love those Hit the Button videos that you did. You said Harley the expert in that video. You did like the twos and you did like the 5 and 10s in that Hit the Button video. Harry, if you're watching this, I know I did say it. Harry, you said my name in the Hit the Button videos. You said Harley the expert, and you said Harley the expert. If you're watching this, then I love your Hit the Button videos. And then Harry, you also said that you were saying the answer and all that. So yeah. So Harry Weston, if you're watching this video, I hope you give this video a like. And if you may be wondering why I didn't comment, well, the comments were turned off. I don't know why, but sometimes that can happen. So anyway, we're gonna get started, everyone. So I'm gonna click doubles, which is right here. And I'm going to press double to 10. Also, when I do it, I'm going to turn the microphone off so I can score better instead of just doing very low. So I'm going to turn the microphone off in 3, 2, 1. Anyway, guys, I'm back. So you can see here it says your time is up. You scored 72 out of 74. Excellent work. So I hope you guys liked the video. Click the like button if you like it. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss out any of my new videos. And Harry, if you're still watching this, I want to say something else to you. I want to say this one thing to you. You are a superstar. I'll say that now. Harry, if you're watching this, you're a superstar. Yeah, you're a superstar, Harry. I'll say that now. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, I said the rest anyway. So goodbye, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.